Honestly, this is like the worst lighting of all time. I say that in every video. I should probably find better lighting, but I probably won't do that, so it's okay. Can you see this pile of clothes right here? Yeah, I'm trying to be more cleanly. As you can see, it's not really working because, well, yeah, my room looks like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning my room, deep cleansing. This isn't a cleaning, this is a deep cleansing because my room is filthy. And then I'm also gonna be redoing everything around. I am just kind of bored of my room right now. My bed's been in the same place for like probably a year and I'm just kind of bored of it. So I'm gonna rearrange everything and do a little room makeover. This isn't necessarily gonna be like $1,000 room makeover because A, I don't want to spend my money on that, and B, I don't even think I have $1,000 in my bank account. So, you know, that's a problem. I have these art prints that I got at an art show. So I'm gonna be hanging these all up on the wall and kind of just moving around all of the existing decor I already have on my walls. So enough talking, let's get into the cleaning because there's probably things living in my room and that kind of alarms me, but let's get started.
I'm pretty sure that 99% of the reason my room is always dirty is because I never put my clothes back where they're supposed to go. So that's like the main portion of me cleaning, honestly, is just taking clothes off the floor because I'm so bad at putting them back. So it's tragic. Okay, now basically I got all of the clothes off the floor besides this. But yeah, basically I have scarves which are gonna go in my closet, and then I have these which are also, I got my nails done, they're really long. Do you care? Probably not. I'm gonna hang some on my clothing rack right there, which is empty, and then some in my closet. So yeah, that's the setup right now. I still look like a crackhead. Okay. Next is the desk. This is another part of my room, or not another, but it's just a part of my room that I am always at, so therefore it is always messy. So basically, I'm just taking everything off of my desk and then like wiping it clean and then putting everything back and just throwing away trash, honestly. Like, cleaning really isn't that hard. You just throw away things that don't even belong there. I don't know, things just get messy so fast because just when you pile up like trash, it just, I don't know, it's like a snowball effect. Does that make sense? Probably not. But yeah, I'm just throwing away all my trash and putting things back where they belong. So yeah, now that the desktop is clean, all I have to do is just put everything back where it belongs. Also, I had this bin under my desk where I just put like art supplies, so I also had to clean that. But other than that, it was pretty easy. I just like organized stuff, put things back where they belong, throw away trash, and flawless, amazing, clean. Okay, day 2 of cleaning. Basically, my whole family is really messy, so my mom hires these people to like clean my house. The lovely people that cleaned my room, they vacuumed it already, so that stuff is already done, but like they don't organize my room, they just clean it, like vacuum it and like wash things. So I'm gonna finish organizing everything. I need to organize my desk, and I also will probably organize my bedside table, and then last step will be to kind of redo everything and put all my new like art prints up. So yeah, happy Tuesday, which is when I'm filming this. This is like a vlog. I don't really know what it is anymore. Yep, it's a vlog. Okay, so first I'm putting back things where they belong, and then also I'm starting to get things off my floor because, as you'll see in a second, I'm moving my bed around, so that's why I'm like putting all this crap on my desk. I promise I will get it off. But yeah, now I'm just taking everything off my bed to move it because I just don't like where my bed is right now. So honey, she's moving. Yeah, this is a lot more work than I thought.
All right, back to work. Should I vacuum this? Probably. That's probably what cleanly people would do. Okay, I'll go vacuum. All right, that was kind of difficult. I like having my bed against the wall because it gives me more space to kind of do things around my room, like film and stuff. I mean, you can like kind of see the indentation of where my bed used to be, and it gave me like probably 4 inches, which isn't really that much, but what can you do?
So yeah, easy stuff. Now I just have to put my sheets back, and then we're gonna be on to the redecorating part. Yeah, I like my bed here. It looks great. I have more space, like I said. I'm just reiterating myself. I don't understand. Okay, goodbye. So here is like the main focus. So I'm gonna take this down because I don't like this right here, and then take all of this down. I don't know if I'm gonna take this down. I haven't really decided yet, but I'm gonna take all this down. This too, these like little collage things, and clean it, and then put up new things. So fun times. So now, time to spice up the wall. Basically I had this hanging flower pot that I just thought looked cool and I wanted it above my bed. Also because I have that like plant looking thing on the right of me. But anyways, yeah. Also, like the photo shoot pictures that I wanted to hang up, it was a red theme, so honestly, it all kind of just tied in at the end. So I did this whole like photo collage looking thing. I honestly just really like how it came out. I think it looks clean kind of and amazing. So 10 out of 10. And here is the final result. It's not perfect, but you know what? Life isn't perfect. It's a step in the right direction. So, you know, hopefully I can embark on a cleaner journey, cleaner room, cleaner lifestyle. I don't really know. But with that being said, that's basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you. And if you want to say hey on Instagram, you're welcome to do that. But other than that, I love you, and I will see you next week. Hopefully. Okay, I love you. Bye.